Welcome to the next session on markets क्या लगता है. Today is 13th of October. It's around 4 p.m. and here I am again with you. So let's quickly first talk about today's trade, and then we will talk about the markets क्या लगता है. So today I'm recommending to continue from the same trade which was there the last week. It is 18,000 CE you buy one lot, and 17,500 CE you sell one lot. It is almost exactly the same trade. The margin is going to be around 40,800, and you would be able to gain about 1,417, which is near about 3.5% weekly. Good, right? And if you do that trade, this is how the strategy graph looks like. You are protected all the way till 17,528, which is 3% above the current Nifty price, and you would be gaining about 1,400. The probability of the profit is about 85%. Okay, and if you take this trade, you would be able to get about 3.5%. And just going further in our Excel sheet tracking, sorry, the last row should have been 13th October. I mistyped it. Next time it will be updated. And margin is 40,800. And we have got about 1,470 rupees of profit. While we are here, how are we doing at this point in time? We are very close to 90% hit ratio. 9 trades out of 10 are almost correct. Average weekly return we have been getting so far is about 3.6%, and total so far we have made around 25% return, which is around 14,600. Not bad at all, right? So let's I mean, I did you even before times I said that we are having such a huge probability of winning. So let's quickly look at the markets, and let's see where the charts are hinting it to us. So here we are on the Nifty so far, and if you look at the charts, we did mention potential reversal zone of 17,427. Very close. We were able to make that entry of this 75-minute chart. And then on one of the groups, I also talked about perfect entry at around 17,300. Let me quickly go to 5 minutes and talk about that. So here, so I did talk about this another perfect entry with a potential target of here. The target was around 17,191. This trade was having about 10 points risk with 135 points or even more than that possibility of winning. Post that, I also have expected another trade somewhere here, which I thought that this is 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, and after this I would go up somewhere here and test the 17,330 odd levels, and that would be the perfect level for me to short. But this did not work out. Not every trade of yours will work out, and that is exactly why you go with such a short stop loss. And my stop loss got hit, and actually after the stop loss got hit, the markets have, oops, sorry, there it is. And so the stop loss got hit here. Markets tried to recover one more time, but then this was not really a good trade, and it happened with minor loss. Post that, the interesting thing is we are only going in up and down, and I have tried to analyze this. How does it really look like? So it looked like 1 and then 2, then 3, and then 4 and then 5. This is where the 1 would have got over. After that, you would have a 1 and you would have a 2, and that is where I said markets may go up from here. This was the trade which went wrong, but markets are doing something else, and because they are doing something else, I'm not able to plot 1 2 3 4 5 here, and this being a fifth wave, I'm expected to do 1 2 3 4 5. So at this point in time, it seems to be little difficult for me to put it together. So maybe we have not yet done this complete correction, and we are in a complex correction. There is a possibility, and after this correction from here, markets may actually start going up. I really am not very sure about that, and that is why I did not recommend you to go close to current prices to write and to earn more. We don't want to earn a lot, we want to earn consistent. That is what is trading as a business, right? So that is why we are shorting 17,500 all the way up here. And you should probably look at your oscillators or whatever. And if markets turn around from here, you might want to add 16,500 also put on the opposite side. So we have got call and put to maximize the earning. I might do that. If I do that, I will post it on this YouTube video as a comment. So in a very simple thing, this detailed move, it takes little while. We have to wait for markets to start telling us the story. When the story is not complete, it's very difficult to make inferences, and that is where we are. After all, we are looking at 5 minutes chart. On a higher term chart, we are fairly clear that this is going all the way to 16,570 odd levels, and that is what markets are also showing at this point in time. So we are going with that higher time frame view, and we are targeting 16,570. From there, markets may go up, but we will talk about it next week. So let me just go back to the presentation one more time and talk about the trade that we are talking about here. We are talking about the trade which is shorting 17,500 call and buying 18,000 call as insurance for about 40,000 bucks, and take home around 1,400 rupees. So that is what we are talking about. One very important thing before I close this session, on this Saturday, I am going to be taking a session on trading as business. How do I stack odds in my favor? So there are a lot of things that go in with all my 20 plus years of experience, and based on that, I have decided my way of trading. Okay, and I am taking this session. It's free of cost. I am going to be sharing link to this session on this video comments. So just join in and see what I really do. I'm going to be sharing my real trades and how much of profit I'm able to do. How do I make corrections? What do I do when things don't go my way? How do I manage those trades? I'll try to cover as much as possible. There would also be a Q&A, and most of my sessions at the end, I try to do market analysis. So that also is going to be there. So see you on Saturday at 4 p.m. India time. 15th October, Saturday, 4 p.m. India time. Have a great time and very nice weekend. See you next week. Cheers. Bye.